In this video, I'm going to discuss about WordPress dashboard, which I did in the last video. I'm just continuing that video. So I think probably in the last video I was just sleeping, so please excuse me for that. So now, this video I'm going to talk about the comments and the a few other things like how to change the footer and we'll see. Yeah. The comments, like when I click on the comments, I can see all the existing comments you have already. You can also you also have the filtration method, like you can see by pending, which means you have not approved it to display it in the front end in the website, which is you can see them, but your visitors cannot see them because you have not approved them yet. So this is a beautiful feature of WordPress. Like until you approve your comment, it won't display in the front end. Until unless yes, you have an option, you can make it directly display. But the thing is, it's always good to be the administrator for the comments, WordPress comments, because we have a lot of uh, spammers. Like they'll do autofilling using auto tools. They'll comment on your WordPress site. So basically, there's nothing useful for you, but they'll have they'll leave their link in your comment so that they'll get some kind of ranking system. So just try to make sure that always give a always you have to approve. And if you think that's a spam, you can simply say trash it, or just spam it and trash it, so that it will understand, okay, this is type of content is spam, so in the future if it comes, automatically detect, and it will not allow you. So now let's say I'm trashing it down. So can I add comments, my own comments, like from here? This, no, you cannot. This is just interface only to see the comments which is written by the end user. So as an admin, yes, you can add comments. Like let's say if I click on here, so you can add your own comments if you want for your own posts. I mean, it's not so recommended because usually visitor has to comment it. Maybe if we ask any question, you can reply using comment, but yeah. So that's it. I mean, we have a spam. Like once you move it to spam, it will be under spam folder. If you still don't want even under spam folder, you can simply trash it. So it will delete all the comments. So after you trash, also still the comment will be there. So just go to trash and select everything. By clicking in here, it will select all the comments. By clicking here, it will select only the specific comment. So go to here, delete permanently, apply it. So this is the bulk operations. You can simply delete the whole comments, all the comments in the WordPress. So yeah, beware of spam. Once you install a WordPress, if you see after a month or something, you will see a number of comments, like thousands of comments or something like that. Even user registrations also. Please make sure that uh, email confirmation should be there for user registration. Yeah, let's see. Here, let's talk about the editing WordPress website. I mean, the editor. So here I have everything, but I don't want this footer. Yes, I want Let's Help You, but not proudly powered by WordPress. Yes, of course, I'm very much proud to use WordPress, but not in the footer. So I want to remove that in my website. I don't want it in my website. So let's go to the editor, appearance, editor, dashboard, appearance, editor. As you can see here, I mean, this is the if once you click on the editor, you'll see the style.css. In whenever any WordPress, you will see style.css in any WordPress. If you click on the editor, it will open its main style.css, so that you can change the CSS styles from this file. But also you can see all the most of the files listed in which are using this WordPress. So let's say now my intention is to change the footer. So theme header is there, theme footer is there. If you have a lot of files in here, you can do this. Control F, search for footer. See, footer.php. So click on the theme footer. So once I click on the theme footer, you have to come down. I think you might need a know a little bit about yeah. So you might need to know a little bit about HTML because if you think if you feel that it's difficult for you to know to learn HTML, don't worry. I'm just going to show you. It's like it's a simple text changing. So now here we are in the footer.php as you see here, and I'm just coming down. So this content varies theme to theme. Right now I'm using 2016 theme, so this footer has like this. But if you install something else, the footer page, the content might be different. So you need to be uh, very careful. I mean, you need to be very precise what you're changing, because if you change something here, the whole WordPress might collapse. So you should be very careful with the PHP tags and the PHP thing, so you don't touch anything. So now I'm just changing here. Here, this is the link. How do I recognize that that is a link? Because as I can see here, this is a site title class. Site title. When it says site title, what is my site title? It is a let's help you. Let's help you. I see the same thing at the bottom. Let's help you. So that site title is displaying here. So this is the site title, and this is the WordPress.org link. Says proudly presents. So proudly powered by so and so. All I can do is select this thing and delete. If you know HTML, you can do much better. You can simply write your own. You can do much better. So now you can create your own footer by providing HTML content here. So let's say we have already let's help you.com. I'll say um, I'll write something else, like maybe I'll open some paragraph tag. I'll say I'm customizing my WordPress. Done. So once I'm done with my changing footer, and I can simply say I have to come down here, I find update file. I need to click on that. I'm done. So if I want to check it, I'm just coming. You need to come to home page and then refresh the page, and if you see the footer, beautiful. Let's help you. I'm customizing. Oh, that's my the spell mistake. But anyway, I'm customizing my WordPress. So you can write however you want. It is coming down because I've written a paragraph tag which is block level element. So that's the reason it is coming down. So if you don't want coming it down, maybe you can use span tag only. So let's say something like that. I need to customizing I'll just capitalize it. So now it makes sense. Done. So you can write your own footer. Say here, let's help you. I'm customizing my WordPress. Beautiful. So now let's talk about something else. Like instead of we have changed the footer successfully now. Let's say I want to change my the logo. So here instead of the text, I want to put my own image. Usually if you buy any themes in the themes sections, you will have an option updating your logo file and everything. Let's see if I customize it here, if I find any option to upload my own image. No, I have option for a background image. Let's try it out for background image. Let's select do I have any media libraries? No, I'll just open, select, and I'll go to pictures. I'll just no, pictures, camera roll. No, what happening? So documents, no documents, not even a single image. Beautiful. So I need to download an image, some sample image, so that I can download a free royalty. So sometimes if you use these images, you might need to put your their credentials, like you need to give the credit for the website. So right now I'm just taking some image. Of course I'm going to remove it. This is just for testing purpose. I'm not putting any credentials here. So I'll take this image, I'll just take this one and just store it in downloads. I'll just go here, select, I'll just select this. Now done. So this is a very important section. So once you upload this image, here the title is very important. Okay, for any image, title is very important. If you give a proper title, it will give good results in a Google or any other search engines. So good for search engine optimization. So give a proper title. It says like a beautiful woman. So it doesn't mean that you shouldn't say the meaning of the picture. Of course, you should say why you are using that picture. Sometimes you might use a recycle bin to what you call to green energy or something like that. So at the time you don't put as a green energy, we will put it as a recycle bin. Sorry, you put it as a green energy instead of recycle bin because you're representing their green energy, not recycle. You're just using the icon. So we need to be very careful with the titles because then it will be it will give a good results in Google. So you can give the caption and all text, and all text is also very important. Give some description. So I'm not giving anything, so just choose image. So once I'm done that, I'm just coming back. Remember, just click here. If you click here, you will come back to the options. If you click here, you will go to the dashboard, which means it will close the customization option. So please be aware of that. Until you save and publish, don't close it. So I'll just go to header image. I just want to add one more image. I just need to download one more image. I'll just say something like the rose. So just use it, download it, and upload the files. Select, download it. So yeah, I'm just selected, and come on, yeah, I just select and crop. So it's asking for cropping because there is a limit for header size, specific height limit. So that's the reason it is asking. So I'll just crop image. So now once I crop that, as you can see, I have added the header and of course the background part, and just coming back. If I click on the background, it says tile horizontally, tile vertically. I'll say no repeat, which means it won't repeat the background. So it should be aligned to the center, and maybe it will align to the left. Fixed. You are going to make it fixed. Now let's say I'll just make it as a tile, so that it will repeat. So now I'm just coming back, and we will discuss about menu soon. Save and publish. Now once you clicked on save and publish, it will apply to your website, and just you can close it and just try to refresh the home page, and here, as you see here, there is a background image added. So background image is coming up. It's a fixed, and also one header. This is the header of the image. So these are the things you can do with the customize options. And also let me tell you something about menus. I think I'll take a separate video for menus. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching video, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, and you're free to ask any questions if you want something else to know about WordPress or anything. You just question. Maybe you can ask it in about a channel, or you can comment on any video to do any kind of video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.